What's good? Didn't mean to put that much. So he has no idea that I'm even planning to do this right now. He's about to be so bad, y'all. Like, he's in the military. He has to go to work on Monday.
It's the way I see it. That's important, you know. Can you please put the camera down and stop playing?
Okay, so you want to cut it off?
It's supposed to be a prank?
No, I mean, we gonna have to...
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Ooh, I need to hurry up. Y'all, hey, what's up? What's good? If you're not new to my channel, you know I pranked my husband once before with my natural hair. It's on, babe, it's on. It didn't mean to put that much.
A few moments later.
Isn't weighing my hair down, y'all. Process of me going from natural back to relax.
What you doing that for?
But this time, I'm gonna prank him with his own natural hair. So he has no idea that I'm even planning to do this right now. Like, he knows we're about to do his wash day routine and I'm gonna record it for a YouTube video. But he has no, it's about to get real, y'all. It's about to get real. He's currently giving Noelle a bath, getting her ready for bed. You know, we've been out having fun as a family today, and then we're back home winding down.
Hey, babe, do you use soap on her face? You recording a video? This late?
Yeah, you know, I'm just finishing up a video. I'm gonna go ahead and grab everything I need for our wash day routine. You know, it's like having 3 kids. Okay, I gotta do my hair, Noelle, and his. So now y'all curious why I keep making him cut it off. Like, bruh,
Ain't nobody got time for that.
wash your own hair. So, I bet he gonna start doing it today. I'm really about to let him just think that everything's going natural until I ruin his natural hair. Like, he's about to be so mad. He has to go to work on Monday and he's gonna think,
really, nigga?
did you do to my hair? He's about to be so bad, y'all. Like, he's in the military and they can't just do whatever to their hair. So he's gonna be bad for the time. And I'm gonna have to sit here and try to take it, you know, and not get mad. That may be a pointer, you know, if I don't get defensive, he'll be like, wait, what you doing? Oh my gosh, the camera almost fell, y'all. Obviously, I'm new to this.
Cause you waited on, you waited on. Out of luck and now you prayed for a miracle. Cause you waited on, you waited on. Out of luck.
Do you not believe that comprehension is more important than communication?
I think they're one and the same. It's communication. Like, if I'm having a conversation with you, I shouldn't just be listening, right? I should be listening to understand. So comprehending is a part of communicating. It's the way I see it. That's important, you know?
Personally, I only asked that question because, you know, I'm following around Instagram, so I was just curious as to what you thought about it.
5 minutes later.
There was a lot of miscommunication that went on at the beginning of our relationship. We talked about that. Part of that might have been, you know, past baggage or whatever.
You ready to see your hair?
I mean, is it like any different than how usually? I got some curls up there popping or something, man.
Yeah, you know, I hooked you up, gave you that little lavishly Brit flair. You know, I just did what I do best.
Well, I can't see the mirror, so you done. I get up and go look, but.
Well, I got a few extra things I need to do, so I'm gonna go grab the mirror, okay? So you just stay right here. Ooh, getting old. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick so bad. You ready for your big reveal?
Big reveal, like, what's any different than It normally is. The big reveal.
What you mean? It is a big reveal. Like, this is something that's popping. They want to know about your hair. So, you ready?
Bro, why you acting so goofy?
Okay, here you go.
Oh, that's hot.
Bro,
That's hot.
what the heck is that?
Hair color. You know, I thought I'd spice up your look a little bit.
Bro, you joking, right?
No.
Did you forget, like, I'm in the military? Can you wash this out? You playing? What is this? Dye?
Yeah, it's like a hair dye. Like, it's about to turn your hair like a blonde. Like, think.
Come on, let's wash this out, bro.
It don't wash out. Look at it, babe. Look at it.
Bro, stop playing, bro. Seriously.
Come on, babe. It's cute.
Bro, it's late and you playing games.
I think you're cute with it, babe.
Bro, you playing. You're not listening. I'm not talking about. I can't go to work like this. Is what I'm telling you. It has nothing to do with how it looks. Like, it's like against the rules. Can you please put the camera down and stop playing?
Okay, so you want to cut it off?
Do I have a choice? You're telling me this dye it black. You got black dye?
No.
Bro, come on. Can you put the camera down so we can figure this out? It's late.
Don't get the stuff all in your hand.
But take it off, man. Why would you do something like that? That don't even make sense, yo. It's supposed to be a prank.
No, I mean, we're going to have to cut it off. I didn't know you was going to act like this. I thought you may like it. You said he was changing regulations, you know.
Why you ain't ask me what the regulation is? What do you mean? Is that, like, I'm seriously trying to figure out, does this make sense in your head? Doesn't make sense. Like, does this make sense? Like, does it honestly make sense to you? Come on.
Where the clippers at?
Bro, you just said you could wash it out. You can't?
I didn't say I could wash it out.
Alright, don't worry about it. And my hair's still freaking wet. Where's my comb?
I don't know.
Late at night, and you still got this camera in my face. Like, seriously.
I mean, can you at least tell me if you like it or not?
Yeah, it's cool.
Like, so when you get out, we can dye your hair this color?
No.
Don't you look like, what's his name? Is it David Beckham?
Bruh.
Ain't that the dude they say you look like?
No, no one's ever said that.
Oh, I love you.
Love you too. Hey, bro. You're locking up. Are you serious? What, you want to watch me cut my hair now?
Hey, I'm just playing.
You just playing about what?
You don't have to cut your hair. You don't have to cut your hair.
So you can wash it out?
Yes, I can wash it out.
Now, right now, you can wash this out.
I can wash it out right now, babe. Like, you want me to show you what it is?
It's dye, hair dye.
Well,
right?
It's like temporary hair stuff. Like, you literally can wash this out.
This looks dumb. You got it all on my. Watch, I'm gonna break out, bro.
Babe, so you just tired, babe.
Bro, look at this. I'm about to break out. Look at what you just did to my hair.
You're such a pretty boy. But you sexy though, babe.
Got me hot, bro. Can you please cut the camera off so we can figure this out?
Alright, babe. I was just breaking you, okay? You know, I just wanted to put this in your natural hair care routine. Cause I knew you wouldn't see it coming.
Bro, you play too much, bro.
Sorry for the dirty mirror shot, y'all, but I had to get it while I could.
Alright, it's all good though. You know, you don't want to start no prank war stuff. She don't want to start none of that prank war stuff. It's late and you playing games, bro.
It's gonna take like 5 minutes to wash out.
Well, can we get started on doing that?
Can you say?
Can I say no? Can we get start?
say you love your wife?
Yes, I love my wife.
Okay, and she's the best.
Can we get started on
Yes,
this?
and she's the best.
And she's the best.
Alright, I love you, babe. And we'll catch you in my next one. And as always, remember you're popping, you're beautiful, and I love you. Bye!